concept of the exhibition Journey with Little Prince, in pursuit of love and hope. French classic The Little Prince, known for its insightful stories, has achieved widespread popularity among readers from around the world. This year, the Flower Carpet Festival features The Little Prince, allowing visitors to join the protagonist, the Little Prince, on his journey to love and hope. When viewed from above the ground, the botanical installations and the giant rose made of local flowers and plants are arguably the largest art installations of such in the world. Following the thread of the story, the installation recreates the classic scenes and characters, through which the Little Prince will take visitors on a journey from one planet to another in quest of beauty, love and hope. Meanwhile, visitors will also be able to explore the natural environment and soak up the atmosphere of convenience and friendliness of Taichung City.